Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn just $100 into a whopping $1,000 in just 24 hours? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of fast-paced finance and exploring some incredible strategies that could help you achieve just that. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest financial tips and tricks. Are you ready to make some serious cash? Let's get started. First up, we have day trading. This is one of the most popular ways to potentially make a large sum of money quickly. But what exactly is day trading? Essentially, it's the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. The goal is to capitalize on small price movements in highly liquid stocks or currencies. Day trading can be incredibly profitable, but it also comes with significant risk. Here's a quick guide on how you could potentially turn $100 into $1,000 through day trading. Step 1. Choose a reputable broker. Make sure you select a broker that offers low fees and a user-friendly platform. Step 2. Educate yourself. Spend time learning about technical analysis, chart patterns, and market indicators. Step 3. Start small. Begin with your $100 and focus on making small, consistent profits. Aim for high volatility stocks that have the potential for significant movement in a short period. Step 4. Use leverage wisely. Leverage can amplify your profits, but it can also increase your losses. Use it cautiously. Step 5. Set stop-loss orders. Protect your investment by setting stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Can you imagine turning $100 into $1,000 through a few well-timed trades? It's possible, but it requires skill, patience, and a bit of luck. Are you ready to learn more strategies? Let's move on to our next method. Cryptocurrency trading is another exciting avenue to explore. The crypto market is known for its volatility, which can lead to rapid gains. Here's how you can get started with cryptocurrency trading and potentially turn your $100 into $1,000 in just 24 hours. Step 1. Choose the right exchange. Select a reliable cryptocurrency exchange with low fees and good security features. Step 2. Research and choose your coins. Look for cryptocurrencies with high volatility and trading volume. Step 3. Learn technical analysis. Just like with stocks, technical analysis is crucial in predicting price movements. Step 4. Use stop-loss and take profit orders. Protect your investment and lock in profits by using these orders effectively. Step 5. Stay updated with market news. Cryptocurrency markets can be influenced by news and events, so stay informed. Have you ever thought about how quickly cryptocurrency prices can change? This volatility can be your best friend or your worst enemy, so always proceed with caution. Let's explore our next strategy. High-risk investments like options trading and penny stocks can also offer substantial returns in a short period. Here are some steps to potentially succeed with high-risk investments. Step 1. Understand the risks. High-risk investments can offer high rewards, but they can also lead to significant losses. Step 2. Use a small portion of your capital. Only use a small portion of your $100 for high-risk investments. Step 3. Research thoroughly. Investigate the companies and understand the factors that could influence their stock prices. Step 4. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different high-risk opportunities to mitigate risk. Step 5. Be prepared to act quickly. High-risk investments often require rapid decision-making and quick action. High-risk investments aren't for the faint-hearted, but they can offer incredible rewards if you play your cards right. Now, let's look at a more conventional yet powerful method. Freelancing and gig economy jobs offer a less risky way to increase your money quickly. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit can help you earn money fast. Here's how you can maximize your earnings in 24 hours. Step 1. Identify your skills. Determine what skills you have that are in demand. Step 2. Create compelling profiles. Make sure your profiles on freelancing platforms stand out. Step 3. Offer quick turnaround services. Focus on services you can deliver quickly to maximize your earnings in 24 hours. Step 4. Market yourself. Use social media and other platforms to promote your services. Step 5. Manage your time effectively. Prioritize tasks that offer the highest return for your time. Freelancing offers a great way to make money based on your skills and effort. It might not be as thrilling as day trading or crypto, but it's a reliable method to increase your cash quickly. Let's dive deeper into another interesting method. Another intriguing way to turn $100 into $1,000 in 24 hours is through reselling and arbitrage. This method involves buying products at a low price and selling them at a higher price. Here's how you can start with reselling and arbitrage. Step 1. Find products with high resale value. Visit thrift stores, yard sales, and clearance sections to find items that can be resold for a profit. Step 2. Use online marketplaces. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace are great places to list your items. Step 3. Take high-quality photos. Attractive photos can help sell your items faster and at higher prices. Step 4. Write compelling descriptions. Detailed and honest descriptions can attract more buyers. Step 5. Offer competitive prices. Research similar items to price your products competitively. Reselling and arbitrage can be both fun and profitable. Imagine finding a hidden gem at a thrift store and flipping it for a significant profit. Are you excited to try this method? Let's move on to the final strategy. Peer-to-peer lending can also be a way to potentially increase your money quickly. This involves lending your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, earning interest on the loans. Here's how you can get started with peer-to-peer lending. Step 1. Choose a reliable platform. Select a well-established peer-to-peer lending platform with a good track record. Step 2. Diversify your loans. Spread your $100 across multiple loans to minimize risk. Step 3. Research borrowers. Review the profiles and creditworthiness of borrowers before lending. Step 4. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your loans and reinvest the returns to grow your earnings. Step 5. Withdraw and reinvest wisely. As you earn interest, consider reinvesting to compound your returns. Peer-to-peer lending can offer steady returns with lower risk compared to some other methods we've discussed. It's a great way to grow your money while helping others achieve their financial goals. And there you have it. Several exciting ways to potentially turn $100 into $1,000 in just 24 hours. Remember, all these methods come with varying levels of risk, so always do your research and proceed with caution. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.